Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a little cleaning tool.
I have been always wanted a glass scraper for glass ceramic hob for a long time, but never really looked for one. So when I saw it in a random store, I didn't think twice and bought it. It says it's suitable also for induction, can be hung up, and the blade can be retracted and replaced. Today I want to put it to work on my stovetop that really needs a good deep cleaning. You can see here what a sharp blade it has. The instructions say for removing burnt-on food stains from glass ceramic hobs quickly and easily. Also removes color or residues of stickers on glass, tiles, etc. The directions for use say to use it before applying cleaning agents. First I want to show you how dirty my cooktop is. A lot of cooking is happening in my kitchen, but not always the cooktop gets cleaned even if it should, so a deep clean needs to be done from time to time. You can see I have there a lot of crumbs, spills, grease, food residue, and especially this spot has some tough burnt-on food stains that I tried to get off so many times but never succeeded. I laid out all the products I need: the scraper, a degreaser, a cleaning paste, a sponge, a butter knife, a microfiber cloth, my cleaning electric brush, a glass cleaner, some glass cloths, and of course, gloves. First I tried on the racks, and it really works. I am amazed. I've always known that I needed one, but now I can tell you I need it badly. You need this little tool too if you don't have it yet. You can see here how well it works.
Got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star, baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do.
When I finish with the racks, I remove the burner caps and the knobs and spray them with some degreaser. Then I proceed with scraping the stovetop. I like how this tool works, and if you see some scratching, it is just an illusion from the grease, or I really have some scratches from previous attempts to remove burn-on food when I did not have this scraper. It really doesn't scratch at all, it's amazing. Here you can see what a good job it does.
He's the one that I die for. Can't along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do.
At a certain point, I needed to vacuum the debris to be able to see where I have to scrape. Now I can spray some degreaser on the stovetop and on the backsplash and let it sit while I scrub the racks, the knobs and the burner caps. I use some cleaning paste and a new sponge for more abrasiveness.
He got mad love, he got mad love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love.
For some hard-to-reach spots, I use this electric cleaning brush that I love. If you are interested, I did a review video about it. I will link it at the end of this video.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the
While everything is drying, I scrub thoroughly with that cleaning paste and that sponge, the Stovetop and the backsplash.
dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
For hard-to-reach spots, I use this brush again.
Moonlight on your naked
Now I use the same sponge to wipe the detergent, then a microfiber cloth.
where you wanna
Between those two, I use a Veleda sponge cloth.
go, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch
In my opinion, we have to have as much tools and gadgets as possible to help us clean our homes. This way we can do it in less time and even enjoy it.
blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah.
In the end, I shine everything with glass cleaner.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
The vent hood needs a wiping too.
We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got
While waiting for everything to dry, I have to put away everything I used.
simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever, telling those little
A quick wiping of the counter and that's it. Now my Stovetop area is sparkling clean. No more grease, crumbs or burnt on food. So shiny. I put back the knobs, the burner caps and the racks. And even if it's not perfect, you can see how amazing it looks now. This cleaning tool is really a helper. I love it. I find it very useful and easy to use, and I will definitely use it from now on. You will see it again in my future videos because I really believe it's a cleaning help and it was fun to use it. And believe me when I say that you need it too, more than you think. Please let me know in the comments below if you have a glass scraper. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!